Presentation on process and conditions of underwriting presented by Pujita, MCom Final, MPM Government First Grade College, Karkala. What is underwriting? Underwriting is determining and quantifying the financial risk of an individual or institution. Typically, the risk is associated with providing loans, insurance, or investments and is conducted by financial institutions in-house underwriting professionals. This is determine and measures the financial risk of an individual or institution. Financial institutions uses underwriting professionals when risk is associated with providing loans, insurance or investments. Process of underwriting. First, the company will underwrite as follows. Issue a standard premium rate policy to an insured without further request for documentation. It issue a standard premium rate policy without further documentation to an insured. The company may request addition all information to support the underwriting decision. To support underwriting decision, company may request for documentation. The company may underwrite the case with a higher premium rate policy based upon the present health status, past history of health, occupation. Based upon the present status, past history, company may underwrite with a higher premium rate policy. Next, once the company underwrites and accepts the case whether at its standard rate or substandard rate, it will issue a policy with a free look form to the insured. If insurance company accept the case, then they issue policy with a free look form to the insured either standard rate or substandard rate. Next, should the company not receive the additional documents or requirements within a specified period, the company will terminate the application and return all premiums to the proposed insured. If insured did not provide any additional documents before specified period, company can terminate or cancel the application and return all premiums. If the proposed insured declines the company's counter offer, the company will terminate the application and refund all premiums to the proposed insured. If insured declines the company's counter offer, that time also company may cancel the application and return all premiums. If the company postpones or declines the application, company will notify the proposed insured by letter and refund all premiums to the proposed insured. If company postpones or declines the application, company will notify proposed insured by letter and refund all premiums to the proposed insured. Conditions of underwriting. After the approval is issued, then underwriter will send a list of conditions to the processor. These conditions are needed in order to get final approval for loan or close the loan. First, submit conditions. The company asks for additional documents from insured if they have any conditions to perform. E-sign the initial closing disclosure. Initial closing disclosure document will be emailed to insured the initial underwriting approval, so insured immediately sign the closing disclosure. Third, provide contract addendum and amendments. If new amendments or addendum to the contract, then must update it. Credit report update. Underwriting will need to verify that insured still qualify with the updated payments from the credit report. Another verification of employment. They check or verify that insured is still employed or not. Thank you.